What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 things that I love about the Insta360 GO 3S action camera. I've been using the GO 3S quite a bit lately. I've been shooting and traveling around with it for a few months now. As you know, I've always been a big fan of the Insta360 GO series. I made quite a few videos on these cameras over the years because they're just so unique and versatile. This latest version here in the GO 3S takes things even further, so let's jump into why I love it. The first thing that I love about the GO 3S is its 4K video quality. Video quality has always been solid out of the GO series, more than good enough for Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. However, the addition of 4K in the GO 3S allows it to be truly used as a semi-professional tool. I'm plenty confident using this little camera to capture B-roll footage for my videos. I know the result is going to be crisp, and I know that everything is going to be in frame. Video quality here is excellent all around. The next reason why I love this camera is its hands-free versatile mounting system. The GO 3S is an incredibly light little camera. Like previous models, it can be worn hands-free using the magnetic pendant or magnetically mounted pretty much anywhere that you can think of. The addition of the action pod gives it a traditional action camera feel with a screen to easily control the camera and change settings. It's also another way that you can mount the camera. The flexibility that the GO 3S offers, whether it's in the action pod or not, is second to none. You're going to be able to capture a unique perspective that no other camera can right out of the box. And number 3 is stabilization. The GO 3S utilizes flow state stabilization and horizon lock to keep your footage steady even during intense action. As you've been seeing throughout this video, I've been doing lots of activity moving around, and the GO 3S eats it like a champ. The POV during archery is a great example how steady this little camera is. Like, it was literally mounted to my clothing with the magnetic pendant. Aside from maybe a little tripod to give you a better grip, there is no need to carry around much additional gear with this little camera. The second and last reason why I love it is MegaView mode. MegaView is a new addition to the GO 3S that provides an incredibly wide field of view with reduced distortion to provide natural looking footage. This setting falls between ultra wide and D-warp, so it's great for capturing wide open scenery and pretty much for keeping everything in frame just by pointing the camera. And last but not least is the compact waterproof design. The GO 3S is a teeny tiny little camera, but it is rugged and fully waterproof up to 33 feet. Unfortunately, you can't take the camera in the action pod for a dive unless you have it in a case. The GO 3S by itself is waterproof, which is an advantage because it's small, unobtrusive, and ready to withstand whatever it is that you throw at it. Alright, so from the old studio to the new studio, those are 5 reasons why I love the Insta360 GO 3S. One other feature that I really dig about this camera is that it's compatible with Apple Find My. If you have an iPhone, this little camera acts kind of like an AirTag. If you lose it or leave it behind, you're going to be able to locate it in the Find My app, which is super cool. At the end of the day, if you are a content creator, video producer, or just someone who's looking to capture their travels and everyday adventures, this is a fantastic, compact, versatile camera to add to your gear bag. The GO 3S is about as good as it gets. So that's about all that I got, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It greatly helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on X, Instagram, and TikTok for so much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!